Hello baseball fans, my name is Eddie Dana and I'm the author of the Staten Island Advance, SILive.com, New York Mets blog, You Gotta Believe. I'm issuing the following statement because I lost my Subway Series wager over the weekend with that seer of sports, Dean Balsamini, that jerk, who co-authors the Advance SILive.com New York Yankees blog, Pinstripe Profits, with one Charlie DiBiase Jr. He is a real seer of sports. Will Fat CC's back hold out for 6 more years? Not likely.
The pitch by Mariano. Ike Davis grounds it to Jeter, who fires over to Teixeira. Ball game over. Subway Series over. The Yankees win. The Yankees win. Oh, Susan, give me my hanky. I think I'm going to cry.
If you're wondering why I'm holding on to this $23 block of Munster cheese, it's because it's symbolic of my team, the New York Metropolitans, the cheesiest organization in professional sports. And you can put that in the books. We good? You got what you need?
Yeah, that's good.
Freaking Yankees. For the record, the season series is tied at 3. Magic 8 Ball. Will the Mets win the World Series? Ask again later. Piece of garbage.